It's a 2016 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Packed with features that dreamers design, a determined face and sharp curves house potent and efficient power from the twin-turbo engine, a 7-speed automatic transmission with shift paddles, and the EcoStart stop system. It rides like a dream with airmatic suspension, adaptive damping system, and active full LED headlamps. Protection is offered by a rear-view camera, pre-safe, collision prevention assist plus, and attention assist. The dual 12.3-inch high-resolution screens work with a command system with touchpad controller. Worthy advantages include navigation, Bluetooth, and voice control. You'll also get leather seats, wood interior trim, home link, and a power rear sunshade. Subtle niceties like cabin air purification and fragrance systems, multicolor multi-zone LED ambient lighting, and soft closed doors complete this mobile oasis. The look is majestic. The features will dazzle you. Come experience all it has to offer today.
At Mercedes-Benz of Coral Gables, we look forward to your visit and deliver excellence at every mile.